Hello there. Welcome back to Flavour Station, Flavour Chasers, Bad Man. Now today, my own invention, the Breakfast Club. Now we all know about the club sandwich with the bacon, the egg, the lettuce, the tomato, the mayo, the whatever. I make a full English breakfast version of this sandwich and it bangs. The perfect hangover food. It's just, incredible. Allow your Mackies, allow all that. It's the Flavour Station Breakfast Club. Here we go!
Flavour Station. Flavour Station.
I call this one the Breakfast Club. Richard Pettijohn, head chef at the Red Carpet Cinema. Kind of a big deal. You want toasted white bread, 3 layers for each sandwich. Baby. Heavily buttered. Very important, you want that clogger. Whisk yourself 5 eggs. Whisker to bomba clean. Get your eggs in a hot pan, make a little omelette, bloody. Now what you want to do, bit of pepper, more pepper, salt, yes, loads of that. Boom, we're going to cook that through. Then we're going to need some hot sliced tomatoes, grilled, and some sliced flat-field mushrooms, grilled, lovely. Eggs cooking away. Once your egg's sealed around the edges, you're going to grill that bad boy. Get it under the grill. Linda McCartney sausages, sliced. Now the egg's cooking nicely. Don't burn the phone. We're going to stack these bad boys. Brown sauce on the bottom layer. Before you continue watching the video, click the ding dong, subscribe, like if you want to. We shall proceed. After the brown sauce, we come sausage. Sausage on. Come behind that with your tomato slices. Look at that, beautiful. Then bread, butter side, down, okay? Down. On top of that unbuttered side, ketchup. The ketchup's a good shout, that sweetness with everything else, brown and ketchup together, it's got to be done. Look at that, bomba. Mushrooms. Come behind that with your omelette. Then we're going to get some hash browns, lovely little things. Jeez, slice them up. Slices on. Few baked beans ready to go on. Just a little drizzle. Just moisten up that. Give it that element of full English brekkie. Don't need many beans. Let's not make a mess. You want to just drizzle that on. And now, pièce de résistance. A tiny sprinkling of cheddar. British cheddar. Now this is a full English, beans on toast, cheese on toast, everything in a one. This just something now, on top, on top, on top. What we're gonna do, we're gonna squash that down like that. Boom. Sorry about the mess, but we're gonna have the big reveal now. Get that on there. You ready? You ready, gang? Now this is the Flavour Station Breakfast Club.